Love cameras. Sony. This is at Target, you guys. Target. This is the one I bought. Right there. I wanted the blue one right there, or with the red one. I've been looking for a camera for a long time. Oh, I love this camera right here. Canon 299. That's not bad. Oh, this one's 50% off. I should have came and got this one. It's $499 kit. Cameras rock. Cameras rock. Wow, you guys. I'm so excited. I finally bought a camera. This is the one I bought, actually. Right here. I want the red one. Just bought my camera. Just bought my camera, you guys. The very first Canon camera. I hope it works good. The only one left was the blue ones weren't there, so yay. So are you ready to upgrade your life? Upgrade your camera? Upgrade your channel? Well, I am. My name is Dee Dee Crafts. I'm so excited to do this unboxing of a Canon camera. I've been wanting a new camera for a long time. So if you like these types of videos, give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and tell your friends about Dee Dee Crafts. We're going to upgrade everything on this channel, so throughout the video you'll see some things me talking about this camera, my journey, and everything. And I had so much fun opening this up. It was like so excited. I've been wanting to buy a camera for years and years and years, and I finally did it. So get ready. So excited to show you this. Oh, look at that. It goes in, out, in, out. And this is the screen. That's what we're going to look at, you guys. The screen. So cool. I just dropped it, you guys, already. But look it. That's how you film it. That's how you film it. Yay. Welcome back to my channel, my amazing craft artist. I hope you're having a great day. If you don't know who I am by now, my name is Dee Dee Crafts. My life is a craft artist, and I'm so happy because it's Friday and it's payday and it's March 26, 2021. And I decided today of all days to go in there to get my equipment I needed for YouTube. So by the title of this video, I hope you're excited. Give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and let's get ready to show you something exciting that I've been wanting to do for a long, long time. So we got a stimulus check. I got mine on Wednesday, March 24th on my day off. And I said, you know what? I'm going to save my money back and I'm going to pay off some bills, but I'm going to splurge a little bit and buy some equipment for YouTube because I got to get better at this channel. I noticed that my channel has not grown at all, hardly at all. I'm at I'm like under 400, under 200 right now. It's terrible. It's like 141. And I don't know if people feel sorry for me just because I'm trying my best I can, or just like the channel, or they like the videos. Hopefully you give a comment down below and some good suggestions that help my channel grow. I decided to do this a long time ago. I saw a lot of nice things that people have for their channel to make the channel look better, better lighting, better equipment. And I thought to myself, I want a nice camera, a very good camera that I can start out with to get my channel up to grade, up to par, up to grade is that word? To get it better. So I'm going to upgrade my channel. I'm trying to upgrade my channel on everything, you guys. Not just camera equipment, not just lighting, not just cool supplies and all that kind of cool stuff. I want to upgrade everything. Like my art skills, I've lacked on that for years. Also my crafting, I buy supplies and never use them. Scrapbooking, buy those and never use them. So I thought to myself, you know, let's start doing something with our channel. Start making our channel worthy of people to want to watch it. Like, I mean, if I was watching this channel, I'd be like, okay, why does it suck so badly? And it does suck. So I want to get so much better. If you hear any noise in the background, it's people upstairs making noise, or a smoke detector that no one fixed yet. So hopefully nothing else happens in this video and we can have fun. So I decided to buy something. I went to Walmart. Like I said, I got some footage of this, of me going to Walmart, buying my first camera, and I love it. So let's get started on this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a like. Please subscribe. Like I said before, I know this channel is bad. I mean, not in a good way, bad. The quality's bad, the lighting's bad, and we're going to try to upgrade the channel. So I want to show you what I bought today. So please sit back, relax, and have fun. My journey of buying a nice camera for YouTube. Please subscribe and stay tuned. Ta-da! 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 My amazing craft artist. Guess what I bought? A Canon PowerShot. I know I'm not going to say that word right. ELF-H180. If someone could pronounce it for me, I would appreciate it. And it has 20 megapixels and then 20 mm wide. I think that's lens 8x8. And it's digital. I think it's digital 4 plus. And I love this so far. And this is the only one they had left, you guys. They had a beautiful blue one there that I wanted. It was like 140. No, this is 149 plus tax. But the other one was 179 plus tax. I wanted that one too. I might buy another camera, but for right now, this is my camera. I don't think this is going to be my vlog camera. So I'm not actually didn't open it yet, you guys. It's not even open yet. This is an unboxing. I thought it'd be fun to show you everything I bought. This is so exciting. I'm so happy. I'm finally got a real camera for my channel. So if my voice goes up and down, I'm really sorry about that. But this is a cute camera to start out with because I can't afford the camera I really wanted. It was a Canon Rebel. I can't think of what it's called. It's like, it's up to $300 up to maybe $1,000. And that was a cool. I want the Sigma lens and all that kind of cool stuff. So I can't wait to open this up. It's going to be exciting. So this is what it looks like. It's gray. I wanted the blue one. I saw on Amazon they had a red one like this, but it's okay. I love this so much. So let's open this up and show you everything inside this camera and how it works. And I got a warranty on it for 14 days. No. I got 14 days to take it back to Walmart in case it doesn't work. I just bought it on Friday. So today's Monday. I'm so excited. So hopefully you guys like this. I'm so excited to do this video. And I hope you guys give me a thumbs up like on this video. I'm so proud. I'm upgrading my channel, upgrading my equipment. It's an upgrade, yeah. So let's open this up. I don't know which way I'm going to open it up first, but thank you so much, you guys. And give me a thumbs up like I said earlier. And I'm trying to get this channel so much better. So hopefully you like this and I'll be right back trying to open this up. I need some scissors, you guys. So let's do it. You see, I went and got the scissors. I don't think I need scissors, but I got them anyways. This is what it says on here. It says, contains a digital camera, power shot 180. It has a battery charger and a battery pack, and then a wrist strap, and then it has no memory cards. I forgot to buy memory cards, you guys. Can you believe that? I didn't buy a memory card. He said it's not included, but that's okay. I need to buy some. So I don't know what software I'm going to use for this to make this camera, make the videos more better, but I'm so glad I bought this. It's not a 1080 camera, which I wish it was, but it's not, but we're going to upgrade. I'm going to buy another one anyway, so I'll at least have 2-3 cameras just in case this one breaks, or just in case I don't want this anymore. You know, it's silver color or gray, so I'm going to open this up right now before I drop it. So let's get started on that. And I didn't do my nails. Sorry about that, you guys. The nails look bad, but I was going to do that for you. But I'm trying to open this up. I'll be right back, you guys. It's so hard to open this, you guys. Oh, my goodness. And I'm not using this camera to film this video. If you're wondering that, I'm not. So this is so hard. It's good. Oh, there it goes. Thank you, Lord. Uh-oh. So we got some directions in there. I think directions or whatever, how to use it. And I can't wait to show you everything. Look at that box. Look how cute the smallest box is, you guys. So, Canon. Ooh, it's a US. So, let's take out this part for Canon. And then I guess this is the battery. I'm not sure. But they got it taped really good. So, let's take it out of there. It's always a struggle with stuff. I open up stuff. It's supposed to be elegant. So, I got that. Put that over there. Stop moving around stuff. And then, what else I got in this little box? Let me show the box. There you go. And I think that's the camera. We'll dig it out in a minute. I'll show you. I thought this was the battery, you guys. No, it's the camera. This is the camera. Oh my Lord. That's how small and cute it is. I thought it was the battery pack, but it's not. Oh my goodness. Look at this camera. Oh, look at the screen. I'm so excited. This menu. Oh, I can't wait to use this, you guys. You have no idea. I just love it so much. Thank goodness I bought this, you know. Time to upgrade some stuff. What else is in here? Oh, yeah. So what else I got in here? Uh-oh. I think I got a battery. Yeah. There's a little battery. This is the battery? Yep, it is. Focus, baby. Hopefully I have no problems focusing with this, but I got a little battery. And what else is in here? Instructions? Yeah, instructions. Because we all need instructions how to work it because I don't know what I'm doing. So getting started. Yes, getting started. And that's what I got. And I can't wait to use that. And then, oh, here's the battery pack. I think that's what it's called. Or charger. I don't know. I've never had a real camera before, so I don't know. Oh, yay. Ooh, I can't wait to use this, you guys. It comes with some kind of paper safety thing, but that's what it looks like. I love it. What else we got in the box? Oh, there's a little strap. I forgot about the little strap. So let's take that out. There we go. The strap. To the camera. I don't have a camera case or a camera anywhere to put my camera in, but it would be fun to put it in. So before the video is done, I'm gonna show you how I upload everything, and I'm gonna start using this in a very, very near future, you guys. I cannot wait. I bought me a camera. I can't believe I bought it. I'm so excited. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll be back at the end. You can tell I'm so excited about using this real camera instead of a cell phone all the time. The cell phone's old and cracked, and I'd say, you know, I'm going to upgrade everything, and I'm so excited I did this video. Hopefully you had fun, and this is where I use right here for my you know, to charge my camera's battery. I love this. This is the first product I bought from Canon, and I love it. I love it so much, and I'm so proud of myself that I bought something to upgrade my channel. Hope you guys like this unboxing. It would have been a little bit better if I had better software and I had a real camera already, but I'm so excited that you guys like this video, and hopefully you have fun watching my videos now on. So I'm going to upgrade another camera very soon, but right now I got this one. I'm so excited. The Canon. And I got it at Walmart for $149 plus tax. Plus I got a warranty, so I'm going to work on this camera this weekend, and I'm going to show you how it takes pictures and everything. But right now I just wanted to unbox it and then use it in videos very soon. So thank you so much. Have a great day, you guys, and keep crafting no matter what, because we upgraded our camera. Yes, we did. It's a gift to myself. Upgrade, upgrade.